Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You open the App Store and tap your profile immediately to see available updates. This is faster than hunting through icons. Once done, skim the list to prioritize large apps if bandwidth matters, because big downloads can stall on cellular. Make sure your iPhone has at least 20% battery or is charging to avoid interruptions. If an app shows an update button, tap it to start that app only. This gives you control and avoids several simultaneous downloads. You decide whether to hit update all or pick apps one by one. Choosing individually prevents bandwidth spikes and lets you prioritize. Once updates start, watch progress indicators. A paused or spinning icon usually means networking or storage issues. Make sure automatic updates is on if you want installs pushed without manual steps, and confirm background app refresh and app store cellular permissions if you need updates over mobile data. If a download stalls, pause and resume it. That often clears transient network hiccups. You finish by launching the updated app and confirming core features work. Checking the App Store listing shows the installed version. If an update failed or is stuck, restart your iPhone first. That resolves many caching or connection problems. Make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID and that there's enough free storage. If the app still misbehaves, offload it in settings and reinstall to preserve data, or delete and reinstall as a final fix to get a clean install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.